Cleaning bloodstains from bed sheets. When we wash the sheets, we think the most annoying thing is the blood on the sheets. It is really unsightly. However, women go through menstruation every month. It is difficult to avoid accidentally dirtying the sheets when sleeping. In addition, when the weather is hot, there are many mosquitoes. Bed sheets are also easy to be stained with blood by mosquitoes. Bloodstains on sheets or clothes give us a headache, and the effect of cleaning with laundry detergent is limited. Sometimes we put the sheets in the washing machine several times, but the bloodstains still can't be removed, especially the dried bloodstains. In fact, we want to wash the bloodstains off the bed sheets using some methods. Whether it is new or old bloodstains can be removed. If it is just stained with bloodstains, which is still not difficult to remove, we can first put the sheets into a bucket or basin to soak, and then pour on some salt. Salt not only can sterilize, but also can increase the friction when we scrub the sheets. In addition, we can also sprinkle a small amount of white vinegar on bloodstains. The role of white vinegar is to soften the bloodstains and remove the odor. After we gently rub the sheets for 1 to 2 minutes, we can see the bloodstains begin to slowly fade. At this point, we can use detergent to clean. There are bloodstains in the place basically clean. When cleaning the blood on the sheets, must use cold water. Do not use hot water. This is because the blood contains proteins, will coagulate in the heat, not easy to dissolve. For bloodstains that have dried up, we can use the folklore native method, the white radish or carrot juice cleaning method. White radish and carrot are rich in amines, which can react with the proteins inside the bloodstain and thus make it disappear. We start by chopping up white radish or carrot, then pouring it on the bloodstained sheets and rubbing them. If we have a blender at home, we can also directly juice the white radish or carrot and then soak the bloodstains on the sheets with the juice for 20 to 30 minutes for better results. Finally, we then sprinkle some salt on the area with bloodstains and rub gently. Then the old bloodstains will be removed cleanly. If our sheets are stained with blood, we do not have to worry too much. We can try to use the above methods to clean.